Welcome to Comcast Local Edition. I'm Amy Allison. For parents who are looking for support from the non-custodial parents, there's help at the county level. And our guest, Linda Dippel from the Contra Costa County Child Support Services, is here to explain how. Now, there's a new electronic system that a parent can use to fill out and try to get the kind of support that they deserve.
Absolutely. It's a new interweb program that we've developed with a company that assists people in completing the forms in a format that's easier for them to understand. Normally, if you came to the office and requested services, you'd receive a packet that would have 38 pages in it, and sometimes that's difficult to go through and understand. And with our new application, which is called TurboCourt, it is like TurboTax and walks you through the process and asks you questions that make more sense, and then goes back through the program and completes it. And forms that aren't necessary or not completed, it lets you know if you're answering the questions correctly. And at the end, you can actually hit a button that will electronically transmit the application to our office.
So just so everyone knows what we're talking about parents who are custodial parents who are looking for financial support mainly from the non-custodial parent?
Well, it can be either parent, because with the services that we provide, we also provide accurate, safe accounting records. So when a parent is paying child support, perhaps the non-custodial parent would like us to keep the records as well, so that he has someone who knows exactly what payments have been made and what payments are possibly missing. So both parties have an accurate accounting of the child support they're paying.
Is it fair to say a lot of custodial parents don't know what their rights are, the process to start opening a case?
And we're there to help them. They can call the office or go to our website online. We're part of the Department of Child Support Services through the county, and they can check out those kind of questions on our website.
So the county also offers additional support services for young people who are in this kind of situation, correct?
Well, what we do is we can locate absent parents, we can establish paternity if necessary, establish a court order, and then move forward to enforce that court order on their behalf.
When you say establish paternity, you're talking about the county takes blood tests and everything.
Well, actually, we do a buccal swab, which is a buccal swab DNA test. So it's not actual blood itself. If that is necessary, we're happy to provide that service as well.
And what about health insurance for young people?
We also establish health insurance orders on behalf of children and enforce those orders as necessary.
So the county has an obligation, according to law, to play this role. What's the role of the state versus the counties?
Well, the state now has taken over processing the payments themselves, and in doing so, they're now offering taking Visa and MasterCard, so you can pay by Visa or MasterCard and there's no fee associated with that. Women can have, if they're the custodial parents, have the money sent directly to their bank accounts. They can receive a pay card that they can use like a Visa card in collecting their child support. So there's a lot of options that the state now offers, a lot of additional benefits. We send monthly statements to both parties so they're aware of exactly what's been collected. They receive the money within 48 hours after we receive it. They can have it directly taken out of their paycheck and sent or bank accounts. So there's a lot of convenient ways now that people can pay.
So the state is dealing with the money, the county's dealing with the enforcement end of it.
We work together, and by completing an application for our services, you get that service along with it.
I see. You know, you're in enforcement, and so that can't be an easy role, but it sounds like you're, in terms of facilitating the process, you're making it easier.
What we're here to do is make sure that children are taken care of, and
Great.
We want both parties to be secure and the fact that their kids are taken care of.
Wonderful. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Our guest today, Linda Dippel from the Contra Costa County. And thank you for joining us here at Comcast Local Edition.